Good evening students. Now I am teaching 10th class quadratic equation. Find the roots by using complete square method. Okay, by the method of complete square method. Okay, first given given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation. What is the given quadratic equation? 5x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, complete square method means what, ma? The expression, the LHS, you can write as a square. Here the middle term is minus, ma. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. The expression we can change in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then we can write as a minus b whole square. Okay, this is called complete square method. Okay, the given expression we can write in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so after that we can write as a minus b whole square. The a minus b whole square is equal to 0. Then we get the roots. Okay, so here the first term we can write in the form of square form. But here what is there? 5x square. So 5 we cannot write in the square form. Okay, so now we can eliminate the 5. Okay, next the last one we can write in the square form, but the root 2 we cannot write in the form of square form. So here 5x square minus 6x is equal to, here minus 2 is going to happen plus 2. Okay, next here divide 5 on both sides. Divide 5 on both sides. That is 5x square minus 6x by 5 is equal to by 5. Okay, for these two terms, what the common denominator? 5. You can write as separate denominators. That is 5x square by 5 minus 6x by 5. 5 cancel is equal to by 5. So here x square minus 6 by 5, x is equal to by 5. Okay, this 6 how we can write? 2 3 jump. 6 how we can write, ma? 2 3 jump. So x square minus 2 into 3 by 5 into x is equal to by 5. Now you can observe here a square minus 2ab. The remaining term is what, ma? B. 2ab. So, but which term is missing? B square term is missing. But here we know that B term, what is that? 3 by 5. You know, so B square means 3 by 5 whole square. Okay, ma? So here x square minus 2 into x into 3 by 5 is equal to by 5. So now a square minus 2ab. The remaining term is what, ma? We take B. Okay, which term is missing? B square. Okay, so adding both sides, adding 3 by 5 whole square on both sides. On both sides, that is x square minus 2 into x into 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5 whole square is equal to 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 whole square. Now in LHS, it is the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal a minus b whole square. So that is we can write as x minus 3 by 5 whole square is equal 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 whole square. 3 by 5 whole square. A by b whole power m. A power m by b power m. That is 3 square by 5 square. Okay, so next x minus 3 by 5 whole square is equal 2 by 5 plus 9 by 2, 25. 3 square how much more? 9. 5 square 25. X minus 3 by 5 whole square is equal 2 by 5 plus 9 by 25. So now these two are the fractions. We can do that at LCM or cross multiple. So here we take that LCM. So 525 LCM is how much, ma? 25. So here the fraction which number you can multiply, its denominator is 25. 5. Okay, so 2 into 5 plus 9 into 1. Why we can multiply it, ma'am? Because the denominator having how much mark? 25. Okay, so 2 5 are 10 plus 9 by 25. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 by 25. So x minus 3 by 5 whole square is equal 9 by 25. This square is going to result up an root. So x minus 3 by 5 is equal plus or minus. How many values are there? Square of variable two values. What are there? Plus minus. Okay. So here square root of 19 by 25. Here root of a by b. Root a by root b. Okay. So here minus 3 by 5 is going to right side order than plus. Okay, ma? So x is equal 3 by 5 plus or minus root 19 by root 25. So root 25 you can write 5 square. Square root of 5 square. Square cancel means how much? 5. So x is equal 3 by 5 plus or minus square root 19 by square root of 5 square. Square root cancel. That is square root means what? Exponent form 1 by 2. Okay, here a power m whole power n. A power m into n. So therefore square root cancel. That is 3 by 5 plus or minus square root 19 by 5. So for these two, what the common denominator? 5. Where the 5? 3 plus or minus root 19. Okay, so that is x having how many values are there? 2. What are there? 3 plus root 19 by 5. Next 3 minus root 19 by 5. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation. 5x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0 by the method of complete square method. Find two consecutive positive integers. Sum of whose squares is 290. Okay, consecutive odd positive integers. Consecutive odd positive integers. Sum of whose squares is 290. So here, what is the positive integer? We don't know that. Okay, let us take an odd positive integer. An odd positive integer is x. Its consecutive positive integer is. So what the difference with what are the consecutive odd positive integers? 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. That means how much it is increasing? 2, 2, 2. So here its consecutive odd positive is x plus 2. X plus 2. Okay. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. These are the odd consecutive positive integer. How much it is increasing? 2, 2, 2, 2. Here, which positive integer? We don't know that. Which positive integer? We don't know that. Let us check, that is x. Its consecutive odd positive integer how much? X plus 2. Okay, what they are asking? Sum of whose squares? That means these two number squares on their sum. Okay, so given that sum of squares is 290. That is x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 90. Okay, so x plus 2 whole square means which formula? A plus b whole square. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that is we can write as x square plus 2ab and then 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 90. Okay. Next x square plus 2 2 ja 4x plus 2 square 4 is equal to 90. X square 2x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 290 comes this side then minus. So minus 290 is equal 0. Okay, so 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 290, how much? 286 is equal 0. Okay, 2x square, 2 into x square, 4 2 2 ja, 2 286. 2 into 143. So here we take that 2 is taking outside. What the remaining? X square plus 2x minus 143 is equal to 0. Here 2 here multiple. This 2 is going to set up and divided. So here x square plus 2x minus 143 is equal to 0 by 0 by anything 0. Okay, so x square plus 2x minus 143 is equal to 0. Okay, now find the factors by using quadratic formula. Okay, so what the formula? X is equal minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, it is what? Complete square method. Find the roots. So what the formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Here a is the what? X coefficient, b the what? X quotient, c is the what? Constant. Okay, so here a is equal to how much? 1. You can comparison. Okay, a is equal to 1, b is equal to, c is equal to minus 143. The three values you can substitute here, then you can get the x values. How many x values you can get? 2 more. Okay, so that is x is equal minus 2 plus or minus square root of b square, that is 2 square minus 4 into a 1 into c minus 143 by 2 into 1. So minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus and minus plus 4 into 143. 4 into 143. 4 3 jar 12. 4 4 jar 16. 16 plus 1 7. 4 1 jar 4 plus 1 5 by 2. By 2. X is equal minus 2 plus or minus 4 plus 572. 576 by 2. So x is equal minus 2 plus or minus 576. How we can write? 24 square. Okay, so 24 square by 2. Square root cancel. X is equal minus 2 plus or minus 24 by 2. So here x is equal minus 2 plus 24 by 2. Okay, minus 2 minus 24 by 2. Minus 2 plus 24, how much? 22 by 2. Next minus 26 by 2. So 1 ja, 2 11 ja. So 1 ja, 2 13 ja. So x is equal 11 minus 13. Okay, x is equal 11 minus 13. Here they ask me that only positive. So here what is the odd positive integer? 11. So therefore odd positive integer is what ma? 11. Its consecutive positive integer how much? 13. 11 plus 2 is equal to how much ma? 13. Okay. Find the roots of x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. X is not equal to 0. Okay, so here first the given equation we can change into quadratic equation. Okay, so given, what the given here? X plus 1 by x is equal to 3. Okay, so here the first term x is a whole part, that is we can write as x by 1. X by 1 plus 1 by x. Now we can do that, these two are fractions, we can do that cross multiple. X into x, x square plus 1 into 1, 1 by 1 into x is equal to 3. Here x here divide, this x is going to transfer up and multiple. So x square plus 1 is equal to 3x. Plus 3x comes to up and minus. So x square plus 1 minus 3x is equal to 0. Now the quadratic equation we can arrange in a order. The terms we can arrange in a order. So that is x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Its degree is 2, its degree is 1, its degree is 0. Okay, now find the roots of quadratic equation by using complete square method formula. So what the formula? X is equal minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now this quadratic equation is comparison with general form of quadratic equation. What is the general form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c. So here a is the how much? A is the what? X square quotient. Here x square quotient is how much? 1. Next, b is the what? Quotient of x. Here b quotient of x is how much? -3. Next, c constant. Here constant is how much? 1. Okay, these values you can substitute in quadratic formula. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2e. Okay, so here x is equal minus b. Here what the b? -3. So minus of -3 plus or minus b square means -3 whole square minus 4 into a 1 c 1 by 2 into 1. So minus plus 3 plus or minus square root -3 whole square 9 minus 4 1 ja 4 by 2. 9 minus 4 5 by 2. Now how many roots are there? 2. What are there? X is equal 3 plus root 5 by 2 comma 3 minus root 5 by 2. So these are the roots of the given equation. Find the roots of 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal 3. X is not equal 0 comma 2. Okay. Here x is not equal to 0 comma 2. X is equal to 0 to 2 అయితే మీకు quadratic equation form ఉంటుంది. Okay. So why you can write x is not equal to 0 to ma? Because if x is not equal to 0 comma 2, then we can write it quadratic equation. Otherwise we cannot write. Yeah. So here, okay. So given 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal 3. Now these two are the fractions. You can do that cross multiple. 1 into x minus 2, x minus 2. 1 into x minus x by denominator multiple. X of x minus 2 is equal 3. Plus x minus x cancel, that is minus 2 by x of x minus 2. Here it is total divide. It is dividing is going to right side happen multiple. Okay, so is equal 3 of 3 into x in x minus 2. So minus 2 is equal 3 into x into x, x square, x into 2, 2x. Next, minus 2 is equal 3 into x square, 3x square, 3 into minus 2x, 6x. This minus 2 is going to spread up and plus. So here 0 is equal 3x square minus 6x plus 2. You can write in equation form 3x square minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now find the roots of this equation. How to get? By using factorization method or complete square method. So what the formula? X is equal minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac a to a. Okay, so here this equation is comparison with general form of quadratic equation. Then a is equal, a is the what? X square quotient. Here x square quotient is how much? 3. Next b is the what? X quotient. How much here? X quotient minus 6. Next c constant. Here constant is how much? 2. Okay, these values you can substitute there. Then x is equal minus b minus of minus 6 plus or minus b square, that is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a 3 c 2 by 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So minus of minus 6 minus plus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 whole square. How much? 36. 4 3 ja 12. 12 2 ja 24 by 2 3 ja 6. So 6 plus or minus 36 minus 24. How much? 12 by 6. Okay, no? So 12 how to can write? 4 3 ja. So that is 6 plus or minus square root of 4 3 ja by 6. So here square root of a into b. Square root of a into b what? Square root a into square root b. So that is x is equal 6 plus or minus root of a into b, root a into root b, that is root 4 into root 3 by 6. Root 4 value is how much? 2 more. Okay, so that is x is equal 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 6. The 6 is a common denominator for these two terms. So we can write as x is equal 6 by 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 6. 6 cancel, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. That is x is equal 1 plus or minus root 3 by 3. Now what are the roots? 1 plus root 3 by 3, comma 1 minus root 3 by 3. Okay, so these are the roots of the given equation. 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal 3.